In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reassign a time shift, split a shift, and view shift history. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. Choose Absent/On from the drop-down menu. Before you make any adjustments to a shift, make sure you are looking at the correct day. Let's say I need to reassign a shift because this third person, Joan, called in sick. So I can either click on 10 or 5, and the shift details will come up. In the upper left corner, click Assign. Now I can see who is currently assigned to this shift, what their station is, the date for the shift, the start time, and the total hours. Before I can reassign this, I need to select a reason. So click the arrow next to Reason, and I can choose Coverage Not Necessary or Employee Ill. I'll choose Employee Ill. Then if I want to give this employee leave, I can select a leave type. So I'll click this arrow, and I can choose a Family Medical Leave Act, jury duty, leave type for accrual type, maternity leave, or if I scroll down, there's medical appointment, sick leave, and vacation. I'm going to choose sick leave. Now I can select an employee to reassign this shift to. Maybe I will choose Eric. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to assign that employee. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that shift has been reassigned. Notice in the top left corner, this shift is now assigned to Eric. That's how I can reassign a shift. Maybe Eric is only coming in for part of the shift, so I need to split it. Next to Assign, choose Split. And now I can split the shift in half. Let's say Eric's going to work 10 to 1, so I want to split that shift at 1. I'll click this clock, scroll down, and choose 1. I could then split the shift a second time if I wanted to. TeamWork 5 is letting me know the new shifts will be from 10 to 1 and 1 to 5. If you changed your mind and you don't want to split this shift, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that shift has been split. Notice a green Save bar appears next to the Save button, letting you know your changes have been saved. Finally, if I want to view the history of this shift, I can click on History next to Split. Now I can see the history of the shift. I can see when it was updated, what type of edit was made, who the change was made by, and any reasons. If I click the arrow next to one of the times this shift was updated, I can see the details. I can see the change was the employee and that it was changed from Joan to Eric. That's how you can view the history of a shift. To exit out of this menu, scroll down and click Close. Now I can see that that shift has been reassigned to Eric and that it was split in two. Right now, he's marked as absent because I haven't clocked him in yet. That's how you can reassign and split a shift and view that shift's history. Check out the next video to learn how to mass update employee time.